Welcome to our tutorial on setting up eToll-free cloud phone systems call flow. A call flow is a feature that allows you to control how calls are handled, much like a traffic director at a busy intersection. It's typically used to switch between two different modes, often referred to as day mode and night mode. It's a flexible and powerful tool that gives you control over how your calls are handled, making it easier to manage your communications effectively. Let's jump right in. First things first, on your PBX dashboard, go to Applications, then click Call Flow. Click the Add button at the top. Now here, at the Add Call Flow form, let's go through the fields one by one. First is the name. This is how you want to name your call flow. Next is the extension. This is a new number you create to identify the call flow. Just like when you are setting up your extensions, this number combination should be unique to avoid routing issues in your cloud phone system. Feature code is a code you create after a star key like *30. This is used to activate the call flow. For status, this field displays the current mode of the call flow. PIN number is a security measure to prevent any unauthorized changes to your call flow. Now, the destination label identifies the normal destination of the call flow, say, day mode or night mode. Sound is the audio indicator that signals which mode is activated. Destination is where the call will go under normal circumstances. Alternate label is like the destination label. This identifies the alternate destination of the call flow. Alternate sound, this the sound that plays when the alternate mode is engaged. Alternate destination is where the call will go when the alternate mode is activated. Enabled indicates whether the call flow is currently active. Lastly, description is the label that describes the purpose of the call flow. Now, click the Save button at the top of the page to save your call flow setup. Congratulations! Your new call flow is now set up in your cloud phone system. The call flow feature offers a flexible and powerful way to manage your communications efficiently. Whether you're directing calls based on the time of day or routing them to different departments, this feature gives you complete control over your phone system. The result is more efficient communication, improved call management, and a better overall experience for your callers. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.